Hello, hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see about some problems on motion in a straight line that is mainly useful for NEET and JEE mains, and NEET as well as JEE. This chapter is I taken from the Inter first year, and today we are going to see some problems. In that first problem is a person travels along a straight road for half of the distance with velocity v1 and the remaining half of the distance with velocity v2. Find the average velocity is given by average velocity we have to find now. And in question, first of all we have to draw the diagram. That is, a person travels along a straight road for half of the distance with velocity v1, half of the distance, that is s by 2 with velocity, and another half of the distance with velocity v2. So we all know that we have to find the average velocity, right? So we all know that average velocity formula is equals to displacement by time. Average velocity, they asked average velocity, so that we are writing displacement. If they ask average speed, we have to write the distance by time. So we know that displacement is equals to s and time is equals to t. We know that time s is equals to vt, distance is equals to velocity into time. Time is equals to distance by velocity, distance or displacement, s by v. T1 is equals to, here they gave the s is equals to s by 2, so s by 2 by velocity is v1, that is equals to s by 2 v1, and T2 is equals to s by 2 by v2, that is equals to s by 2 v2. Now let us substitute these values in the given formula. In the formula, that is displacement, they gave the s by 2 plus s by 2 by T1 plus T2 is s by 2 v1 plus s by 2 v2. We know that this formula is s1 plus s2 by T1 plus T2, that we written in the form of substituting values, and this gives that after calculating this we get the answer as 2 v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. Now let us see in another form, that is, we know that other formula of average velocity is equals to n by 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2 plus up to so on 1 by vn. Here n is the value of number of times, that is, here they gave half of the distance, that means n, the value of n is 2, here 1 and 2, the value of n is equals to 2. So answer is 2 by 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2 plus up to so on. Only they gave 2, no, so that there is no up to so on, only 2 by 1 by v1 plus 1 by t2. If we do this, 2 by v1 plus v2 by v1 v2 will get the LCM, and if we do this, 2 v1 v2 by v1 plus v2, and this is the answer, and here also we gave the same answer, and this is the solution for this question. And let us see the another question. We have completed this question, right? That is, answer we got is 2 v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. Now let us do the second problem, that is, if a cyclist takes 1 minute to complete half revolution, they gave the half revolution on a circular path of radius 120 meters, and what is the average velocity? They said to find, if they gave the r is equals to 120 meters, and they said that a cyclist covered half revolution only. If he starts from here, he completed only up to here. So the radius is r, and r plus r is equals to 2r. This is the displacement. They said to find average velocity, right? V average is equals to, we know that formula is displacement by time. And here the displacement is r plus r is equals to 2r by time t. 2r, they gave the radius is 120 meters, 2 into 120, sorry 120 only, 2 into 120 by time is they gave in question, that is 1 minute. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds, we all know that. 2 hour by 60 seconds. 0 0 cancel and 6 1s are 6 2s are. Therefore answer is 4 meter per second. Answer is 4 meter per second. Now let us do the third question. In third question, a car traveling with a speed 126 kilometer per hour, they gave in kilometer per hour, along a straight line comes to rest after traveling a distance of 245 meters. Here they gave in meters and here they gave in kilometers. So we have to change this is in meter per second. The time taken by the car to come to rest in second int. Remember this question is given in the AP MSET. They gave in MSET, that is in 2016. So this problem is very important. Now let us write the values given in the question. That is third question is they gave, that is speed is equals to, that is u is equals to 126 kilometer per hour. Now let us change this into meter per second, that is equals to 126 into 5 by 18. And they gave in question, that is distance is equals to 245 meters, that is equals to S is equals to 245 meters. And they said to find the time. And we know that the formula is, we know that the formula S is equals to U plus V by 2 into T. You know, right, this formula, that S is equals to U plus V by 2 into T. You can substitute these values here. S is equals to 245 meters. 245 is equals to U value is 126 into 5 by 18. Plus here they said that the time taken by the car to come to rest, that means here they gave they come to rest, that means V value we have to take the 0. They said after coming to rest, so V value is equals to 0. 0 by time 2 into time we don't know, that is equals to T. If we calculate this, T is equals to 2 into 245 into 18, this comes into denominator, sorry 18 by 126 into 5. If we calculate this, we'll get the 14 seconds is the answer. 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 3s are, and 5 1s are 5 4s are 20, and here 4 remaining 45, 5 9s are 45, and 6 3s are 3 6s are 18, 3 2s are 3 1s are 7 7s are 49, and 7 3s are 21, 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. 7 into 2, that is equals to 14 seconds, and this is the answer. We got the answer as 14 seconds. Next problems are continued in the upcoming sessions.